Chapter 5. The Power of Acceptance. Being happy doesn't mean that everything is perfect. It means that you have decided to look beyond the imperfections. What is acceptance? Acceptance is defined as a person's assent to the reality of a situation, recognizing a process or condition, often a negative or uncomfortable situation, without attempting to change it, protest, or exit. How is acceptance valuable in leading a successful life? The power of acceptance and your willingness to consciously activate its power in every aspect of your life is the often overlooked key to experiencing a quality of life that surpasses common human logic. You become enabled and empowered to see life and the world around you for what it truly is, in such a way that it instills an indescribable sense of internal harmony, peace and well-being that transcends all forms of common logic and widely held perceptions of possibility that the vast majority unconsciously choose to remain limited by. Each and every experience we encounter in life, whether physically, financially, relationally, emotionally or spiritually, doesn't find its root in the doing as the vast majority perceive, but rather becomes real and tangible in our physical reality based on and due to our individually chosen way of being. There are no right or wrong ways of being, only individual choices which determine what you will experience in the various aspects of your life. Acceptance is a way of being initiated by choice. Those who choose acceptance as their predominant way of being find it to be a pleasing and powerfully creative choice. A choice that consistently yields desired results. Difference between acceptance and resistance. Resistance is defined as the refusal to accept or comply with something, although often perceived as being the means to avoid unpleasant and undesirable experiences, is in actuality the very choice that enables the unpleasant to become real. Acceptance is our true nature freely provided to each of us, and resistance is a learned trait that many adopt throughout their lives, due to self-limiting and self-sabotaging beliefs acquired. Failures in acceptance. The three major ways of failing to indicate acceptance are: or giving a cliché or ritualistic acceptance, such as "I know how you feel," or "Is there anything I can do?" Saying exactly what you would say to everyone, not something that is a part of your relationship. Remaining silent. The greatest failure is silence. How to develop acceptance? As much as change is advocated, you must realize that there are some things you cannot change. You have to accept the fact that not everything can be fixed, perfected, or even altered. Accepting those things that cannot be changed is a very important key in your quest for wellness. The challenge every minute of every day is, what do I choose to do? Most of those choices are of things that cannot be changed. For example, you cannot change the weather, but you can dress comfortably, plan your activities and decide how to go about them. No matter what the weather of the day, when you accept the things you cannot change and focus on the things that you can change, you feel tremendous relief followed by a great deal of peace and joy. True freedom comes from that kind of acceptance. You cannot change the personality or value system of another person, but you can choose to exert a positive influence by displaying your own values and character. You cannot control the choices that your family members make, but you can exert a positive influence by making suggestions, encouraging and supporting them. Include on your acceptance list items such things as: accept self. Accept that you will not always be the best, have the most, run the fastest, or reach the highest rung on every ladder. We only have a set number of talents that we can refine into a set number of skills. We each possess the baseline of intelligence and specific aptitude. Accepting the reality of yourself means learning to appreciate the best of who you are, while seeking to change certain thoughts and actions to avoid manifesting the worst of who we might be. Accept the reality of situations. Face up to what is real. Reality is not what you wish, what you think should be, or always what seems fair or just. Reality is what exists now. Accept nature and natural law. You cannot change the law of gravity, the migration of birds, or the course of a storm. You cannot change natural outcomes. You cannot precisely predict the amount of your harvest from a handful of seeds. nor can you ensure a harvest from the seeds that you planted. Accept the free will of people. No person can make another person believe, give, relate, or act in a certain way. You may be able to use force, make threats, or exert physical pressure to manipulate another person, but you cannot override another's free will. Don't be discouraged because of the things you cannot control or change. Accept the fact that you live in a world that is both messy and frightening at times. Focus your energy on the choices that you can make, not on the things you cannot alter. Don't fight against the wind. Set your sail to make the most of it. Failure to accept life's unchangeable factors causes anxiety, which can lead to worry and fear. Anxiety, worry, and fear are not positive emotions. If you cannot accept a certain degree of uncertainty in your world, you will spend your energy attempting to create a false sense of security or artificial safety zone. When that happens, happiness evaporates. What can you change? Many things can change. You are wise to make choices to change what you can. If the changes lead you to wellness, you can be a positive, proactive agent of change every day. In many ways, what you accept directly relates to what you believe can be changed. Make a list of things you can choose to do. Some of the things that you can place on your list are: give compliments, smile, write a letter, go for a walk, dress well, apologize, read an inspirational book. To help begin your list, here are a few additional things you can change. You can change your daily habits. When it comes to wellness, you can choose to breathe deeply, drink more water, get more sleep, eat more nutritiously, move more, and enjoy activity. You can make these choices regardless of what anyone around you chooses to do. You can choose to be happy. You are the governor of your own attitude. You are responsible for your happiness. You can choose to love yourself and others. You can choose to encourage people, freely and generously offering help. You can choose to empathize. You can choose to forgive yourself and others. You can choose to live free of guilt. You can choose what you will believe. You determine your own spiritual values. You are the creator of your own character.